In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front brakes on your Volkswagen Passat. This is going to be located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a right angle pick, remove all the plastic caps. Get behind them, pull straight out. Using a 17mm socket, remove the 5 lug studs. When we remove this last lug stud, the wheel's going to want to fall off. Be sure you have a hand on the tire. Remove the wheel. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pop the clip out of our caliper. Remove the cap for the bleeder and install a bottle. This bottle has a hose. It's going to run to our bleeder, and I'm going to use an 11mm wrench to go around my bleeder. Install the bottle, crack it open. Using a flat blade, we're going to push the caliper back. You're going to see all of the old fluid go through our bottle. Once you have the caliper fully pushed back, close your bleeder, get it nice and snug, and remove your bottle. Remove the wrench. Using a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner, go ahead and clean your bleeder of any mess you made. Reinstall the cap. Remove the 2 plastic caps, pull them straight out. Using a 7mm Allen bit, we're going to remove the 2 caliper bolts. Remove those 2 bolts from the caliper. Pull the caliper up and off of the rotor. We're going to grab the pad that's in there and pull straight up. There's a clip holding it in. Put your caliper somewhere where there's no tension on the brake hose. You can hang it off of the strut. Remove the pad that's on the outside. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 2 caliper bracket bolts. Break them both free before removing. Remove the 2 bolts and the caliper bracket. Using a T30 bit, remove the rotor screw. Remove the rotor. If your rotor is stuck on, go ahead and take a hammer and smack the side of it till it breaks free. Using a wire brush, get your hub nice and clean like this. Using some Never Sees, we're going to go around our hub. Put a nice light coat. We're going to take our new rotor and a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner. We're going to go around and wipe the front and rear of the rotor, getting any of the assembly lube off. Install the rotor, line up the rotor screw hole, and install the rotor screw. Snug it down. We're going to take our pins, and we're going to clean them off. We're going to use a clean rag with some brake parts cleaner on it. Just get all of the old lube off of it. Get them nice and shiny. If they're rusty, take a wire wheel or a wire brush to them. Get rid of any of the rust. Make it nice and shiny again. Using a wire brush, we're going to clean our caliper bracket. Clean where the pads are going to ride. Get it nice and shiny. Do this to both sides. Using some silicone paste, we're going to paint where our pads are going to go. You just want a nice light coat here. Do this on both sides and top and bottom. Install the caliper bracket and get the bolts started. Snug them down. Torque the bolts to 148 foot-pounds. Install the pad that has the bracket into the caliper. You're going to push it straight into the cup. Install the front pad into the caliper bracket and slide the caliper over. Take your two slide pins and we're going to take some silicone paste and paint these. Give them a nice good skim coat. Install them into the caliper. Get the bolts started by hand. Torque the slide bolts to 22 foot-pounds. Install the plastic caps. Install the clip. We're going to get it installed on bottom, get it started in the top, pull it around the bracket. Install the wheel. Get a lug stud started. Snug it down to hold the wheel. Get the rest of the lug studs started. Snug them down. Using a 17mm socket, torque the lug studs to 103 foot-pounds in a star pattern. Install the plastic caps. Hop in the car, pump up your brake pedal, be sure you have good firm pressure, and then top off your master cylinder, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.